Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Sorry for taking such a long break. Most of you know the reason for this, and those who don't, we took this break because we were shifting to a new house. Yes, we just moved into a new house. Shifting to a new house can be challenging. Decorating and organizing is another. So all this while I was busy making this house a home for us. Though it is fairly a long process, it was an amazing experience throughout, which I am going to share with you. The single most reason to pause uploading the videos for a while was that I wanted my complete concentration on making this house. I wanted to enjoy and cherish the whole process. All this while I have been sharing the pictures and updates on Instagram. So if you are there, do follow Simplify Your Space for the latest. Now the latest news is that we are resuming to upload the videos from today. Along with our regular videos to simplify spaces, we will be starting the series on house interiors and product reviews based on our experience while making this house. This will be especially helpful for those who are planning to get their interiors or renovation done and don't know where to start from. We do understand it can be intimidating to begin with. Now you all must be thinking कि वो सब तो ठीक है, but when are you doing the home tour? So today I am going to show you the glimpses of a new house while it was under transformation. Our furniture is yet to arrive. Other than the glimpses today, I will make an elaborate video on home tour. This is a journey for making this house a beautiful home. I hope you enjoy watching it. So let's begin.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly. Can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed.